Two more weeks and two more combined stories about my two machines from the Olympia SM range. Let's start with the older one, the SM7. I saw it on an ad sold by an antique shop about a year ago. It was one of the relatively first machines in my collection. It didn't cost me much, about 100 level, which is about 50 euros. At this point, I knew it should have been a lot more because it's extremely rare and I haven't seen an ad for one like it anymore, maybe just one but with missing elements. I liked it at first sight, although I hesitated about buying it. In the end, I couldn't resist. I bought it and I don't regret it. It's wonderful to know that you bought something on a lower price and then you realize how valuable it is and that it should be worth more. I said like it at first sight. I just couldn't help but like it. Look at it. This machine is a beauty. I would say the perfect combination of elegance and practicality. Elegant, but without unnecessary ornaments that would easily break or lose their shine over time. This is probably the earliest Olympia from Wilhelmshaven, offered in Cyrillic with both Bulgarian and Russian standards. Let's take a look at it. The dark grey body with an almost white cover and a white keyboard surrounded by dark plastic panels in the body color combined with panels in the same color of the carriage and chrome elements on both sides of the carriage. Simply charming in every way. The bottom of the suitcase is released with these two clips at the front. They grip the machine at the front, while at the back the grip is for these specially left holes. Here on the left is the pressure regulator with 7 positions. On the other side of the keyboard, symmetrically, is the color selection switch. You can see the tap set and tap clear keys, which disappeared in the later generations, such as the SM9 and SKM. Unfortunately, my carriage moves a little harder and the tabulation does not work. Here on the left is the release of the margins, and above them this small lever for locking the keyboard. Unlike the Optima, here the keyboard can be locked permanently, not only when the lever is pressed. More precisely, here the positions are reversed. The lower position is free, the upper is locked, and the carriage lock is also activated with it, but mine does not work. The design is with a lifting carriage, which was also discontinued very soon, with the exception of the Traveler Deluxe, where the lifting carriage design remains. Let's also see the carriage. Releasing the carriage itself, releasing the paper, releasing the gear with the line spacing adjuster or with the button on the right knob, releasing the tabs, the paper support, Simply a wonderful machine, so easy to type on it. Let's move on to the SM9. A big suitcase, right? This is because this is the rare modification with the horizontal page carriage. I think it is the SM9 and one of the latest because it has the new logo. There are no tap set and tap clear keys, and like the late Olympias from Wilhelmshaven, it does not support a color ribbon. The differences are primarily in the design. The body color is the same as the SM7, but the cover is now monolithic, unlike that on the SM7. The keyboard is black and the lever folds. The chrome elements on the ends of the carriage have been replaced with white ones. The knobs have also been replaced with which now have the new design repeated in the late Olympias from Wilhelmshaven. The other difference, besides the no longer supporting a color ribbon, despite my one with which I bought it is black and red, is that the cover is no longer removable. It is on hinges, and the real pressure regulator is now under it and has 5 levels. The top set and top clear keys are also missing. Unfortunately, I don't have a suitable place for this large carriage and at the same time so low. You probably already saw it in the typing test, but excluding that, the typing feeling on both machines, the SM7 and the SM9, is equally easy and soft. Certainly two of the best hits in my collection. Thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of this review. I wish you a wonderful new week, and I'll see you again in 2 weeks with new combined story about two twins of Olympia.